Okay, in stock and ready to go. This is a 2024 on a 74 registration Volkswagen Amarok 2-litre BiTurbo 10-speed automatic full MASV styling package, delivery mileage vehicle only, done 190 miles. Lovely colour, it's in the light grey silver metallic. It's got our full gloss black front grills, black badging, lower front bar, extended gloss black wide arch kit. This truck looks fantastic. It's the economical 2-litre. They drive absolutely fantastic. Great price point as well compared to the V6. And this one's got the premium pack, so all the extras inside. Fantastic gloss black multi-spoke alloy wheels on this one from Rogue Alloy. So these have a self-leveling centre cap, very similar to a Rolls-Royce, where the logo will stay level when driving. Paired up with a Renegade Radar all-terrain tyre. Smooth wheel arches in gloss black steps, wing mirrors, window deflectors, window trims, limo tint privacy glass to the rear. And we've been selling a lot of these. If you haven't got one before the April the 6th for the lower tax, this one is in stock and ready to go. So get your order in now. Mud flaps, gloss black rear bumper. Great spec on the premium pack model, so you get 360 cameras. We've got the parking sensors to the rear. Load liner in the back. 3-pin domestic socket. Matte black roll bar, smoke rear tail lights. There's a full custom pickup which looks fantastic. With all the Amaroks, it has the 5+ promise package, and what that gives you is a 5-year warranty with the manufacturer, 5 services, 5 years roadside assistance. So really looked after on the aftercare with Volkswagen on these. Super interior, the light grey leather dashboard. Light grey on the seats, and the black in the middle, perforated, full leather. Ambient lighting, 10-speed automatic, so great gearbox, switchable 4-wheel drive system, wireless charging pad, large tablet size display. Full spec is on our advert, but this is superb. Looks great. We sell a lot of Amaroks and have done in the last few months. This is one of my last ones available before April. So if you are still in need of a truck for the lower tax bracket benefit, this one is in stock. LED headlamps. Fantastic. So if interested, please give me a call, 0777 111 2040. Full advert on our website, www.ma-sv.co.uk. Thank you for watching.